Welcome to my channel Why Succeed, guys. This is luckyxman here again, and today in this video I'm going to explain you how to make money while using your social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. Okay, so before explaining anything, let me play this intro and I'm gonna come back. Welcome back again, guys, after this intro, and here we go. Without doing any delay, let's jump in the computer and show you how you can make a bit of money while using your everyday social account. Okay, you don't need any experience or you don't need any extra skill to do it, so it's very easy. And let's jump in the computer and show you how you can do it. Okay guys, here we are right on the computer, and now I'm going to show you this website called clickbank.com. Alright guys, so this is already signed up and I have already my account set up and everything. So if you want to go with this website, just type clickbank.com, then you will ask you to register. You have to put your details and everything, right? You have to put your address, phone number and all the details, name and address. After that, okay, after you set up everything, then you have an account. All right, so remember, when you have an account, then it's pretty easy. So sign up, hurry up, go clickbank.com and sign up today, right now. Okay, so when you go to the clickbank, what I have to do is now click on this icon, affiliated marketplace. Okay, click on that. So when you click in this one, see there's another website pops up, then it's called accounts clickbank.com marketplace. All right, now this is the thing, guys, this is the money. All right, so this is the big money, so you have to test for it, and it's very easy. All right, what it does is there's lots of category on the left hand side, as you can see in the red color, red and white text. Okay, so what happens is, let's choose this one: arts and entertainment, scene and TV, betting system, business investing. So alright guys, don't get confused. What this is, the category is like companies. Okay, they have been categorized different company under their category. So I don't know if you ever done affiliated marketing. If you are into affiliated marketing, then you already know what you are into it. But if you never been into this system, then I'm going to tell you something very tricky, guys. Okay, so what you have to do is find the company, right? Find the company, then choose what you want to promote, and that's it. You don't have to do anything. So find the company. So to find the company, what I have to do is, let's say I want to go with the arts and entertainment. Okay, under arts and entertainment, there's lots of option here. Okay, let's go. Let's click on the arts and entertainment. Let's show you. All right, when you click on that one, what happens is, so choose from price. This is the price. So this is the price, means commission. So this is how much you get. Okay, so I want to see from very high commission. Of course, you want to make more money for sure. Okay, I want to make more money too. So what I have to do is click on high to low. So what happens is, now see this one. Okay, I'm going to show you this example. So master mentalism magic trick. Okay, so this company, this is a promote button. This company pays you $175.14. All right, $174.14 if you promote this company. And if anyone went to from your link and they buy the product, then you get from one sale, you get this much money. Okay, remember this, you don't have to do anything. Just if you want to get this link, hit on the promote button, right? So what I have to do is put your account nickname. So this is called ClickBank ID. When you create your account on ClickBank, they will give you ClickBank ID. It's like your nickname. You can put any nickname, right? So my account ID nickname is whysucceed. Okay, I type my whysucceed. Okay, generate hop link. This is the link. All right, guys. So what I have to do is copy. Okay, copy and go to Facebook. I'm showing you the easy way, guys. Very easy. Okay, so go here. Paste. Yep, that's it. That's it, guys. Okay, so I'm going to share it now. Share on your first wall. Okay, that's it. There you go. That's my link. Okay, so this is simple. All right, guys, this is very simple. So what I'm trying to explain here today is you spend your most of the time in Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok or anything, YouTube. But when can you make money? You have to make money while you're spending your time in social media. So this is what I'm trying to tell you today. Then this is not enough, guys. I'm going to tell you more. Okay, there is more. Hold on. There is more. All right, this is affiliated page. This is a link. Click that. Okay, so it's gonna provide you a bit of like a material, like banners. Okay, it's gonna provide you image. This is the image, guys. Okay, this company already provide you the image. All right, this is all the list of images. So, and I'll show you my one. So I have a website, whysucceed.com. Okay, this is my website. This is a blog and a news website I have created myself. And look at this. Okay, so let me click on one of those. So this is a Miami ink tattoo. Okay, guys, so this affiliated link, the company, what happens is I can promote with my blog, my website. Okay, because I have a website, then I do it through my website. So if I click this post, okay, let me click one of the posts. Then here we go. All right, this company, and yeah, all of those company is because I'm promoting it and because I get commission. Anyone goes there, anyone wants to buy a product, then I get the commission. It's very easy, guys. It's very easy. Okay, so because I have a website and I promote through website, and even I promote through Facebook, YouTube, because I make YouTube tutorial and YouTube videos to promote product. Then what happens is if anyone wants to buy their product, they go, they buy it, and you got nothing to do with it. You just get money. That's it. Okay, guys, you get the commission. Imagine selling one product in a month by just sharing one post. Okay, sharing one post a day, then you get commission. You earn a few dollars. Even if you get $200 a month, that's gonna help you through your paying your bills and everything. Okay, that's very easy, guys. Okay, I'm gonna show you more companies. Okay, this is only one company, guys. Okay, here we go. The Miami ink tattoo. There we go. This company will give you per sell $620. Okay, so you just have to do the same thing. Click this link, affiliated link. So this is it. This is the link, guys. So what I have to do, this XXX, just type your, copy this link, type your ClickBank ID on this instead of XX, and that's it. Just copy your link and find your 8 banners. All right, it will give you all the banners you need for a website. Here we go, guys. This is all the banners for promotion. And what I have to do is, just right click, save image, and put it in, place that in your website, and put that backlink, like placed with the link. Then anyone goes there, click that, they will guide you through the homepage or the whatever the page is, landing page is. Then if anyone buy this product, sign up, anything, this is not fake, this is not scam, guy, this is real. Okay, then you get the money. Very easy. So again, guys, this is very simple and easy, and many companies provide you all the materials. They provide you banners, they provide you videos, they provide you, the link, so they will provide you everything. So your job is to tell the people that this company exists, this company sells some product, and if you want to buy it, go and buy it. This simple and easy, guys. Okay, very simple and easy. There's lots of companies, guys. Okay, I'm not gonna go through all the companies because it's gonna get boring, so I'm not gonna, this will be too much. All right, so if you want to go through all the pages, go. If you want to go through the health and fitness, go. This company pays $140.91, $108 for 38 cents per sell. So this is per sell. You don't need to do anything. This is one per sell. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for staying with me today. This is luckyxman again. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, go and hit the subscribe button. And I'm gonna make more videos about how can you make money online through your social media, and there's more videos if you want to watch and go and have a watch, guys. Thank you for staying with me. Be happy, stay home, stay safe, and see you again.